knee-jerk reaction. Asem ba no mudimika putupum no my bibi, putupum no my bibi, and I am seeing this trend within the system. I was say omo hwe na omo edi hu dwuma pa. If they don't know how to plan, they should begin to think about how to do proper planning.
Okay.
They should begin to think about how to do proper planning. I'm talking about the word proper planning.
Of course.
And you need jack nyama na mu ti ono mo ye you know. Yen kan kire omo. Yen kan kire football association is say we have lived with it before.
Yeah.
Sa nyama na wo mu nyama mfa kwa mu ubete no na you take any decision bia. Mu ya league fixtures no when people were calling for the league fixtures.
Yeah.
They didn't know say nyama bi wo my so mo ye ntem.
Okay.
What you say? Say mo kwa ye league fixtures e dia ba. Fixtures na maye na mo dia ba no. Mu enya nwie almost certify all the
venues no.
Venues no. It is a ne say venues ni bi a meeting requirement na. Afei na wo ba ye na assess venues no. Me boa.
10 months no the best start season no.
Wow, enema ni bi wa wo kan nipa ntiase. Ba asem ya make obi betra ba bia. Afra kan sembi.
Ombero be show say ya.
What you say? Na ye ka asem no. Na no so ti so bi ti o ka say wo ye ko fa book no ba ha na ye ka no. Obi ti o say onipa no ono na actually manifesto na be kai na.
Make.
And then mo chiche boss no. Some mo chiche boss no.
Me chiche.
Say onipa na actually manifesto. And so ko fa book na ka say me kai wa. Me kai wo say we na ka say obaye nti.
Me boni amaye no no.
Hwe ho na ya. E no no en say o ka say me kai wo say ye. Na do. Obaye Ghana man panyini. Say nyama ni bi ho no so obaye no. Ye kai no.
Ye kai no.
So man panyini o ba baye o man panyini no. O ka so obaye say ni nti ye kai o. You see me no da bia me ka say ya hweye. The bia di football me kwa kodu no. Fixtures no maye no. Say omunyan certify all the venues as yet say approved by the club licensing committee na. Omo the problem be back Ghana ha say. What you say? Why your fixtures na we approve obia venue? This fixtures confirm every venue. Me boa. Unless they come to tell me say they make me boa. Fixtures no dia ba no, it confirms every venue as certified.
Yeah.
And they show Mediama ebo takwa.
Yeah.
Liberty ebo dan suman. Interlice ebo e tema.
Yeah.
What you say? Has ebo e Accra Sports Stadium. 11 Wonders ebo e Techiman. And it's a club licensing yene inspection na wie. No ka say venue way this particular venue. A meeting standard no. Na afi say man mo hobio ma. Afi na ko venue. Now watching the venue on the features now why na.
Ombe call appeal. Na demand so aba. Ansa na be change venue na.
And can you imagine say as we speak now today is 17th. We are 9 or 10 days more to go for the start of the league. Club licensing we na djuma ye.
Onuru baby o. Club licensing inspection on call halfway.
And I'm tell you say almost started the inspection at Accra Sports Stadium. Unless they are going to do rubber stamp inspection. Rubber stamp inspection and normal approval venues no yamake no bia modia. Things are not the way people see it. The game is not changing. I don't see the game changing. The way people are talking about the game changing. And the young yama ye obianka say adwuma no de ye de ma na wo ya wo ye ni ya ani nyina ehwe aso nyina eti what you say na ya bisa say ko si san asama me can say ye inspection of the venues approval emma ye na ya features ne de clubs ne ya she ho no ye pese ye say eni say we inspection nyina na club licensing unless say bi o makaka wa chire say corner ko approval bia. Yes, maybe that's what they want to tell us. Say, club licensing board no nko na omunko rubber stamp approval obiya go through the system.
Yeah.
Otherwise, they should have waited, or they could have waited. Say, dear no, now you approve every venue as certified by the club licensing board or club licensing committee. And sana, the obiya di ashano as the venue so be kano. Me if you have a contrary opinion, I don't mind. But I'm thinking about the right thing to do. Say that is how the thing should have been. Say, come here, inspection every year. You approve every venue. The officials send to order obi ani asem na wo approve be United wo officials ni we na wo certify the venue ni we na wo can say upon licensing inspection
regulation inti went me meet here
afa na wo
e horom no mbeka to ko pay new venue say bia baby close by no na wakofa no. I mean, why do you do that?
And me then tell me can you say omo when you call for this then they go and do that without thinking about the second ayi. Me bisa football for no.
Okay.
One date now I'm go share approval date for the start of all the leagues, you know. Me kind at the end was, you know, my dream bibia na bibi go through my dream. Me name so answer be for me.
Me pa meet you pa.
Match days and date for the 2019-2020 football season. Na okaya was it the Ghana Football Association has announced match days and date for the 2019 and 2020 football season. You see, decision we taking away. Why the taking that decision way?
Ghana football, that's cool. Possibly, you see
the decision to announce these dates. Me bacho ye go congress kai say ye ti krom ha na ya boli gawie na ye say obi ko relegation was it there be this ya congress answer.
Of course.
Any congress near promotion and demotion. And you want to set date
Bibia.
Into when a contract FCC date without the knowledge of Congress.
Game changing. They change the game, no. Okay, but I think that all hated they are at the right point, and they must get it. Yet we are not here to please anybody. Yes, some Ghana for the right thing must be done. I was here because football no almost football people no. We are all learning alongside omo de no. Omo sua omo kenkan kenkan. Sabi yenkoda. Enti nyoma ni bi wo hono ma. Yesu nya daji go through ye din komo ye further checks ansa na ya bekasa. This administration we kept years of critical administration. One year the embarrassment be bantem because in the footing nyina ya basa. Confusion. What do you say? They said it now canon. Fire service approach. Womu pre womu ho. Minim the opposite please no. Minim nipa kadiya so keku. One in the sad administration way. Episode please. Why the mad rush? Some people hono. Fam. Quickly. Announcement of even the start of a season. And see in the history of Ghana football that. See the start of season. Young call Congress. Now you the date. Any venues about Bontene, Abraham Congress, and congressmen are quiet. And when I am Yano, because now obvious fear of victimization. Obian Besobekasa, the Ayakan, most of them are aware. Most of the delegates and the congressmen, they are aware, but they are afraid to talk. See, young Congress, Emma Congress, I could tell the superior body, I will make the higher decision. And 10 temna. Now do pay so ye esco. Now the power of Congress so ya did yama esco. Enti esco no mutina dem papa no ma sensa omudi na ye the decision biaba. Na abind the Congress. Mami go to their status na hade. Boss player hade. Okay. Na sakrata we me assure say nam kwan so a enu efe hono makaka na edu hono mo. And some people are rising up. That is how it must be done. And now here was it the exercise of legislative powers by the Executive Council. Men kind preamble was it Article 23, 5A and 25(1) of the GFA statutes accord the Congress with the supreme and legislative authority and powers of the GFA. That powers is not shared with any other body of the GFA. The practice has remained with Congress since time immemorial.
Oh, okay.
What it means is that their own status. Sometimes they don't read.
Okay.
We are reading. We are taking a step ahead. This is their own article. Or say the powers of Congress are superior than any other body, IGF, including the Executive Council. And in any other decision beyond better kibiano. And they think they are smart. And I'm catch say Kadias Okaku, na administration way, and share him Gracia 2 Yantachino, where the end channel. channel because somebody will pray you maybe Mama article 23 5A and then 25.1 the new article article 39K appears to be a clear departure and a practice in contradiction to the status quo of the FA. It was expected that in such circumstances, departing from the status quo, there must be a clear amendment. A clear what? Amendment. Okay. Now, ubesa unya power. Edima eskuna. You have to go to Congress and do amendment
and get that power.
What you say? Aya status in here. Me status ana. Me chobi. Say na mranika. Ekuta Congress. Now congressmen are quiet because they are afraid to talk. When the power in these ESCO members and a leader, I will lead you. Let's go. Nobody can challenge us. Yanko. And now they are preparing to go to Congress amid all these issues. And the congressmen do not have a say. And the Congress Congress are and one is a popular acclamation. Yeah. It must not be like that. Congress no kuta power. Pair and yet the mamu status nekano. Not to say my fear from the superior power no. They say I bet D a year school because my hiding behind Article 39. Why must it be so? Why must it be so? Enti enne te say dey okay clubs no ye the first about venue so ho enti ye ko na club license adwuma kese a animonyamfo ye a wo munya nu ba bia emfo mu final verdict ma ye emeche the reasons why a venue bi ya bane no mudimirika e the venues ni ade nyina hyehyem because mo ba say ye hu sa mo ye adwuma.
Now we are sure say are we changing the game?
This is changing the game.
Are you sure we are changing?
We are changing the game in the reverse manner. We ma change ko ye ko reverse. You are reverse. Now we are me another letter and I can show it to you. Sharing of the money to the air clubs, no. So I will say we see a chase can. What was the chase can? It's coming.
Clubs na man where the money is coming.
I'm saying.
One sika.
Enti papa man ki call Congress no. Ya call Congress ni papa man ya koi. No akọ no aka say person starting league no. This is the money we have. Sika na if ABC. Minim say glow sika na. This is firm in a hand, Sika, Dr. Kofiamu Abrofo. Nanka waka say, make it okay, Sika kutamini. Say no na me batu or confess man maka. Say you glow Sika no maka. Because that money, I was say Congress must have a decided opinion on it. Or dissenting opinion. What I say, and you decided say sponsorship of my. Yeah, transparent. And based on that, Mummy you know, ya person ki a chen kakaka clubs no, near the starting league no. Imagine you saying that is respect. That is accordance of respect to the supreme body. To the supreme body.
Sikana, you see a time 50,000 Ghana cedis ama each of the 18 Premier League clubs. That money, where is the money coming from? And account to say Sikano, your bar administration when Sika ever 2 years.
What to me, Mr.
Sika $1 million $1 million abba. And no, you decided say you cushion clubs, you know. Now in the event say in the course of the league
season no sponsorship bar near
and once
so why are you not engaging the clubs? Why are you not engaging Congress? Maybe problem they say mumra no de mra kano muna musum ye football people ye de enka ho fair enough ya jetum muna musum change game fair enough ya jetum enjane na mo ankasa mumra no de mra kano because en see that time and chance you see the Ghana football even under Nyantachi and whoever what me abe chair this GFA say ye enko Congress ni yetimi the league fixtures aba the wisest think you be call Congress na ya jojo awie na ya kaso ke ya ma even a tentative date what you say then we work towards it and you my ABC basa when we are taking decision these members gentlemen a gentleman and a lady na makwasha onipa duba akupe na ma take decision na mo de afa am nipa 123 congress nyina and these congressmen they say atrom kata so mo from passport pictures any wo mo delegates no emra by close of to the FA wo mo ba congress and these clubs are seated quietly on be submit pictures and the idea ko no makwatena ho popular acclamation yeah no matter we are catch them say we are bringing back the love we are catch say we are changing the game. This is how we are changing the game backwards
me dey ade ba kopa na metimi aka
backwards
me te krom ha yeti krom ha en ye ma nipa ba ko enya tumi dane
Jata obi antimi kanasem.
Sao.
That is the area we are now.
When you say edru ba bi na ye toaba, ESCO members ye toaba yi ESCO members we are.
Yeah.
Omankasa toaba eyi omo vice.
Yeah.
Omankasa toaba eyi omo emergency committee members.
Yeah.
Edru ba bi no omo sisa tumi no omo mpe. No omo de man pa ba ko pe.
Of course.
Asem we me maka wie me nka biom. Hwe asem a man panyini kan say the asem now songo bisa now. It's a difficult question. That question is a difficult question to you.
No, that question, President Uyano, Anawanyano.
No. I say the question is a difficult question.
To him, it was a difficult question.
Say, is it a difficult question? Was it a difficult question?
Maybe they are difficult.
No, was it a difficult question?
To the president, it was, but to me, it's not.
But to you, was it a difficult question?
I don't see it.
Because why you know, infame you say, besides, who personally, because you contract, you renew and somebody renew. Who may answer a difficult question?
And there be media meet me.
What do you mean?
Meet my chairman.
Tell them, I'm say a difficult question.
What
is difficult about this question? No, tell me the difficulty about it.
From his position, he feels it's difficult.
No, tell me what is difficult about it.
It's difficult because he's not a football person. He doesn't appoint and disappoint any coach of the national team. So
but he's the one who pays.
He pays, but he has never engaged any services of any coach whatsoever. So it will be difficult because the responsibility of who appoint will be and next president and another what you say?
No, because I'm not. My opinion was I want to understand the difficult aspect of that question.
And think I want to choose man yes or no? Who want to choose man kabekasi?
Now concept you more who you close. Haven't you seen his job? Are you not? Can't you give testimony of what he has done?
I can testify.
So what is difficult about it?
I can testify. But we see boss player
and I be for like is here because Ghana for from my benim rat question pia man why no contract in renew as my renewal can the alliance come in
but boss player, what is the basis? Maybe say this new FA HM the basis why they would want to